Ready to boost your YouTube subs and your bank account? Here's how affiliate marketing can help. First up, create high quality content that fits your niche. Tutorials and reviews are gold mines. Next, always include a call to action. Ask viewers to subscribe and drop a CTA in your video description. Now add value with your affiliate links, offer exclusive deals, and show product benefits. Eye-catching thumbnails and click-worthy titles, essential for grabbing attention. Don't forget YouTube SEO. Use keywords in titles, descriptions, and tags. Engage with your audience by replying to comments and using the community tab. Lastly, offer incentives for subscribers, like exclusive content or giveaways. And cross-promote using in-screens and social media. Follow these steps and watch your subscriber count and revenue soar. Happy YouTubing.